Hi guys. So we're going to speak patois for you guys. I'm gonna do the English version and you're gonna do the
Jamaican patois.
All right, let's go. Hello.
Wagwan.
How are you?
Yeah, dude.
What's your name?
How your name?
How old are you?
Yeah, how much?
Where are you from?
How you come from?
You have a boyfriend?
You have a man?
You have a girlfriend?
You have a woman?
What's your name?
How your name?
What are you doing tonight?
How you the pan tonight?
Are you going out tonight?
You have out tonight?
Where's your brother?
Which party brother day?
Brother,
Brother,
sister,
sister,
aunt,
auntie,
dad,
father,
mother,
mother,
cousin.
cousin.
Goodbye.
Later.